Yo, what's up, guys? This is my trading recap for August 20th, Thursday. Um, let's get right into it. First, let me tell you, today was a break-even day. I'll show you my executions, explain them, and then I'll tell you what I thought. Actually, you know what? We'll do this. I'll tell you what I thought heading into the day, and then I'll show you my executions after and explain what happened and whatnot and what I was targeting and whatever. So today was a break-even day. It was super choppy in the morning. This is where I was trading, so I was done trading around 8 o'clock. So trading through the chop, you know, that ended up leaving me break even, and later on it ran into my profit, but no complaints. It's okay. I was confident in my direction. I was happy with my entry. It's just sometimes it doesn't work out, and that's okay. It did work out later on, but not in the way I wanted to, which was fine. Literally, we stayed in this orb high or below range for quite a while, and it was interesting. So orb high or below, I don't think I actually even mentioned what this is. So this is the first 30 minutes. The high and the lows of the first 30 minutes right here, the teal blue lines. So coming into the market, or coming into the open today, we sold off overnight, big time. We kind of just continuing this trend that we've been having, and we found some support at the 236 right here, tapping back into this level, but I mean, we did just fade through it, but kind of signaling we're still in this trend down. But yeah, so heading into the open, what I really wanted to see happen was I wanted to see price go to this 236 right here. I saw a lot of orders placed right there. I'm like, okay, if it does get there, this would be a beautiful trade. It never ended up getting there. So it was 236, mixed with this 618. So I would have, in a perfect world, entered there, put my stop there. And then I would have targeted the same spot I would target, and it would have been a phenomenal trade if it worked. But we never ended up getting up there. And we found some resistance at our London lows, and then we kind of sold off, making a new low of day, rallied back into the 618, strong reaction off of it. I'm like, okay, let me end this. That is where I entered my short. That's the trade I took today. We have bearish momentum, trade line below VWAP, another bearish signal. Fib levels were lining up. On the hourly, we were tapping into this 9 EMA. The 9 EMA just keeps pushing it down and down, as it has been. Here, this is what? Jeez, 4 a.m. What a trade! If I was nocturnal, I would be rich. But yeah, so we're tapping back into this 9 EMA. A lot of signals that I liked, so I took the short. Let me show you my executions, and I'll explain all my executions. I kind of, after this, kind of went unhinged. So yeah, we entered right here. It's around this level. Oh wait, no. Say it's like right there. I entered. I had my stop. I don't know. I had it perfectly 1 to 2, so I'll just find what that ratio is real quick. My target was 75, I believe. Where is it? 75. And what is this? Okay, I can pull the video up and show you exactly my trade because I recorded today. But we did end up going break even after 40 minutes in this trade. I had a lot of confidence in this trade, and I'm not mad that I took it, but look, just based on these two candles, you should just, and then also like this undecisive price action really early in the morning, you could definitely tell that it was probably going to chop a little bit, and that's what it ended up doing before eventually hitting my take profit. So yeah, we broke even, and then I emotionally got into 2 trades, which I'm just like, what am I doing? And yeah, no, I tried to go long right here. Don't know what I was doing. Like I said, very emotional trading after, and that's a big issue. I didn't really lose any money from it, but I because I caught myself early. I'm like, what am I doing? Like, there's not a lot of confluences. You're just kind of just trading for fun right now. So I caught myself, got out early, didn't really make any losses, or not big losses, that is. But yeah, break even day. Not mad with my trade. Did play out eventually, and even deeper. But this was where did my previous day low go? Did I delete it? Interesting. So I accidentally deleted that. Because there was something really cool I wanted to point out with our previous day low. If I can get it. So, besides the trade that I took, which wasn't a great trade, honestly, but I'm not mad because I had the right mindset behind it. I was analytically thinking, and I, in the moment, chose the trade that I thought was the most highest probability of working out. I just jumped the gun a little too early. I was hoping that we could have gotten a little bit stronger push earlier in the morning, but I should have waited. But I think the trade of the day that I would have took if I hadn't been done and traded early again would have been this trade right here at previous day low. See, we make a double top, strong indicator of a trend reversal. Right here is on the 2 minute. On the 5 minute, not so much double top, but still kind of double toppy. But I feel like if I was chronically online, I probably would have taken this. Put one of these right there, and then probably targeted that low. I feel like that's a valid. And if I was feeling frisky, maybe even that 50, which both of them did end up working, and that would have been amazing trades, and I think the best trades of the day. So what I can really learn from this is not mad. I knew where the price was gonna go. Obviously, I have to be more picky with my entries. I was not very picky with this one, and kind of just gotta keep going and move forward, and just think a little harder before you enter, because there was signs of it chopping out, or potential for it to chop out. Look at this checkerboard 2 minute candle. So, and like I mentioned before, the slow indecisive price action in the morning was also another potential trigger for that. So it's just like a break-even trading day. Like, I made break-even mistakes. It was just, I didn't take a bad trade, but it wasn't good enough to hit my take profit. So yeah, that's all I got for my recap today. I stayed. The rule set that I made actually did help. I think I was reading it before I entered a trade. I didn't follow all of them, but I think the one I didn't follow was is this truly a confirmation? Because I don't think it really was confirmation. And it did kind of end up being pulled back for a bigger move. So I wasn't stubborn with the daily bias. I was thinking of everything, even to the upside, but I realized that there was really nothing much there. So I decided to take the short, but again, pretty early. Could have waited, been a little bit more patient, and it would have paid off. See, yeah, don't be impatient. There will be more opportunities. I need to really drill that into my head. Are all indicators signaling the same thing? I think they were today. They were definitely signaling the same thing, and I'm fine. And that's also why I kind of took it early on. I keep saying this, but earlier than I should have. Had I waited, another trade of the day showed itself. Every day I like to talk about my trade, the mistakes in that trade, because I'm still making mistakes. I'm still unprofitable. We're getting to profitability, but we're not quite there yet. That's why I'm making these videos and doing everything I'm doing, so that when I am profitable, people can look back at these videos and be like, oh, what are the mistakes he made? Let's not do those. Don't repeat my mistakes. So I'm telling you guys right now, my mistakes in every video I make. So obviously made mistakes today, as I do every day, and when we get to profitability, we'll slowly be eliminating those mistakes. But not terrible trading today, but not the best out of me. Yeah, but I still win. We win every day. The contrast of life is a win. The lessons you learn is a win. Waking up and experiencing life is a win. So, no complaints as always. And yeah, happy to be alive. Happy to actually work towards something. People don't mention this a lot, but having something to work towards every day is amazing. And hard work and one day seeing that come true will be an amazing feeling. So yeah, just excited and happy with every experience life throws at me, and I'm excited to trade tomorrow. Last trading day of the week tomorrow. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and hopefully we can end the week on a strong note. It's been more of a red week for me this week. I'm still kind of tweaking my strategy, like really redefining my mental game and my strategy at the same time. So of course we're gonna have down weeks, up weeks, it's whatever. That's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna always keep you guys updated. I posted on TikTok today. Probably post on TikTok and post another recap tomorrow. And yeah, I'll let you guys know my thoughts tomorrow. We'll see what price does overnight. Hasn't even closed yet. We're not even 12:45. And not to blast myself, but holy shit, we are down. Oh my god. P&L open negative 200. We're down 100 today, so the market is in a pullback. Definitely pulling back. Yeah, my quantum trade is fucking murdering me right now. So Pfizer, we took some profits on Pfizer. ConocoPhillips hit my first take profit. Intel, I'm not liking the look of this. While we're here, might as well. We're at a potential area for support. If we break, I'm gonna let it go to my stop loss. My stop loss right here, but it's a mental thing. You can't really put orders on things, which sucks. Micron, what's Micron doing? Micron is not doing bad, okay? I'm gonna hold it. It's not doing bad, actually. My QQQ, see, I over levered the fuck. I thought we were going all-time highs, dude. Oh my god. SPY, still up. I'm gonna keep my orders there. When we get some support, I'm gonna add to it. Quantum. Oh my gosh. Hopefully we can make a higher high, but I'm gonna I don't even know what to say. Like, I've been over levering this quantum trade, and I've been leaking money out. So if we can actually finally get back to where this AI hype was, and just steadily roam, or Trump says something, I'm gonna keep holding this because I have a lot of confidence in it working out, but maybe I'm a little bit too overconfident. Only time will tell. But I'm gonna have my stop loss below this low, just a mental stop loss. else am I leaking on? So Pfizer, Nvidia, Micron, JP Morgan, Intel. I might have to cover some shit on this, but damn, I'm really showing you. I'm really transparent as fuck. Nobody even does this, bro. Look, overall P&L. Okay, wait, my face cam's in the way. I just realized all my positions when you want to see it. If you want to see the P&L open in day, yeah, I'm down 200 open. See, I wanna tell you guys this because it's the first time showing my account. We're only up $4 year to date. What the fuck? But we were at 10K, and we were at. So wait, I started this account with 9,000. We were at 10K like 2 months ago. Now we're at 9.1. It's sad, bro. The market fluctuates like crazy, especially right now. And also, literally 2 days ago, we were at 9,500. So I've lost like 450 in like 2 days. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this. Actually, I'm gonna keep showing you. But this is also where I look at. Y'all need to tap in with Thinkorswim. Holy. So we got a lot of orders at 29,220. I mean, we're nearing the close, so institutions are probably unloading. Yeah, right here. Maybe A. We'll see, but 29,220. This could be where they bought. This could be where their stop losses are. Something. We might try and push price up a little bit higher, maybe to the orb or below. I'll put some text in there. Maybe we're gonna try and go to or below. I don't know, but it's kind of interesting. Look at that, 406 orders. That's nothing to be joking about. These orders have been sitting here all day, and then we got people overly confident. But I'm gonna stay in these positions because I still have confidence in the market. Trump's still president, so he wants it to go up. He doesn't want to end his presidency on a bad note. So we got 2 years left of that. Ooh. Anyways, this is way more than a recap. This is more a recap on the whole market day. See, I need to get better at this. If anyone is watching this and they're better than me at stocks, please help me. I'm pretty good at futures day trading, but stocks, long-term investing. I mean, I'm going to college for finance, Santa Clara. So I'm gonna definitely learn more there. But I wish I had more knowledge right now. But yeah, it's a great day to be alive, as it always is. And thank you for watching if you actually did to the end. And this is not just me watching it back. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.